Hey there, friends! Today we're going to learn about something super cool that even the smartest people in the world find amazing. Einstein's theory of relativity. Imagine this car is racing super fast like a rocket through space. Now let's hop inside and see what happens. Now you're in the car, speeding ahead, and you've got a flashlight pointing forward. You'd think that since your car is zooming so fast, the light from your flashlight would be moving even faster, right? But here's where it gets really interesting. No matter how fast your car is going, the light from the flashlight still travels at the same speed, 300,000 kilometers per second. For someone watching from outside, it's impossible for the light to go faster than this. So what changes? Time. Einstein also discovered something even wilder. When things move really fast, they actually look shorter to us. Imagine this spaceship is 100 feet long, but if it zooms by you at half the speed of light, it would look like it's only 87 feet long. And if it went even faster, 95% the speed of light, it would look like it's only 31 feet long. Isn't that amazing? The faster something goes, the slower time gets, and the shorter it looks. But for the people inside the car or spaceship, everything feels normal. So, when Einstein figured this out, it changed how we think about the universe. It's like he discovered a superpower of time and space. If you loved learning this cool science fact, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more fun videos. See you next time.